Let's take a few moments to talk about searching. Even if you're using your labels, you're moving things out of your mailbox into labels, and you're trying to get rid of those things that aren't something that you need, like spam, there may still be times that you really need to search your mailbox. You're very lucky because right at the top you have a search mail feature. So you can start typing in a term. For example, I know I got some sort of email about Legos, and I can hit enter and it will find emails for me. That's a simple way to search, but I do also want to show you how to use the advanced searching because this can make your searching even more powerful. You'll notice there's a search options button to the right of the search mailbox. And when it opens up, you have some options that make it very easy to search for specific things. You can search from emails from a particular person. You can search emails that you sent to a particular person. You also can search for a particular subject. In this case, I knew the word Lego was somewhere in the email, but I didn't know if it was in the subject or not. If you know what it doesn't have, you can also include that if that will help you eliminate things. There are also some tools that you can use for size. For example, if you know that was a large email because there was something attached to it, you actually can change your size and look for a particular size. You can even look for emails sent within one day or on a particular date by just choosing a date. You can go all the way back to a year. So you know if you received it 3 days ago, within the last 3 days, you could change it into 3 days. Then you have the option to search all mail or any of your other labels. So if I know it was in a chat, I could change it to chat. If I know this email has to be in the workshops folder, I can change it to my labels for that as well. In addition, you can also decide to search for items that have attachments or don't include chats. So when you put all these elements in and then click search, you're making the power of the search work for you. So again, remember, you can simply type in a search term or you can click on the advanced search options. Remember, Google was built on search, so put it to work for you in your email box.